Sir. Good morning everyone, this is actually my route. This is the first time I put the camera on this screen. And that's the camera now. That hang. It's just an improvise. I don't have any handles for the GoPro, so that's how it looks like there. Hopefully that it turns out to be okay. All right. Here at Skyline Ridge, going down to the city council. This is the scene out here in the morning. It's actually 7:28 in the morning. traffic jam in there. So we try to use the back lane, but it's a very terrible road here, especially when it rains. It rains last night, and hopefully that there is no water under this. That's a very nice view there at the seaside. But what I cannot show you because of the camera. Those are the dogs that are happy to welcome me here. Come on, doggy. There's another one there, the big one. So that is it's a very deep hole of road there. And imagine this is 2026, guys. And well, even though it's an internal road here in the city, but this is still how it's looked like, which is very, you know, I don't know how to say, but well, I'm already here for a year, and this is much more getting worse, I guess. They fixed it for a while, but well, it's not that good. They fixed that good. Here we go again. So that's how we get. Already left like this for a while now. You see this? So today I'm also going inside the back lane. Not on the Mendana Avenue because I can see it from here now. It's traffic jam. So there's a few. I mean, not few, but this is one of a good road that has been built. You know, using this paper block, which is very effective to me. If they will use this one everywhere in the back lanes, and it will be good, right? Easy maintenance. You know, people can just walk freely like this, which is good, you know. Well, here we go again. So this is part of Hibiscus Avenue. You know, that the name is very good, but the road is not that good. Well, they fixed it a little bit again, and they just regraded it, flattened a little bit. So this is how it looks like. It's not bad. I mean, it's good. They flatten it like this. If it's not, you know, guys, it's a very good exercise in the morning, though. If all those roads have all those big potholes, that's one of my exercise, because I don't even have anywhere to jog, to walk. So in the morning when you drive, it's a shaky bumper. It's a shaky thingy. So, well, this is pretty good now. It's better than the Mendana Avenue because this construction is going on. NPF building on the right, bulk shop, all of those stuff. So this is one of my alternative roads going to the office in the morning. This is a very nice remembrance here in Solomon Islands, and I'm able to record it. You know, King Solomon Hotels has been taken down, the frontage here on the left hand side. And I know that there is also there rooms up there. Australian commissions on the right hand side. It's going to HP and at the junction. Telecom. Hibiscus apartment on the left hand side. By the way, today is 26th of February 2026. This is 2026, guys. This is not 40 years ago. And I remember when I was still young. This is how it looked like my province in the Philippines. Far north. That's probably 1960, no, 1970. So it really is something very special. Thank you very much, Honiara, Solomon Islands. You know what I mean? So this is my way to the office. Again, I said it again. This is Lengakiki. This is very flirty if you're Asian, Filipino, Malaysian, or whatever. Lengakiki is the name of this. And it's going to the green tank. If you're in the bus, if you wanted to ride on the bus, you can say that you are going to the green tank, I think, or brown tank, or whatever, but there is a water tank. And the bus stops. It's a bus stops every day. And there is where the market is, the afternoon market, where I bought all of those, all sorts of fish. So this is the place. I mean, this is pretty much improved now for years. And thank you very much for that, City Council. Be a perfect video for this, you know, because I just hang, like I mentioned, I just hang the camera. It's actually in the mirror. Back home in Malaysia, I have a handle, but not here. This is actually only about 5 kilometers from my place to the office. So here we go. Here's the office. there you go, guys. I've reached my destination. About 5 minutes from my house. Thank you very much again for watching and riding with me. I'll be signing off for now. Bye bye.